A modern kitchen design is characterized by sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on functionality. It embraces clean, simple designs, incorporating innovative materials and technologies. Modern kitchens often feature flat panel doors with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. Handleless cabinets with integrated pulls or push-to-open mechanisms are popular choices. For a seamless, minimalist look, modern kitchens often employ a neutral color palette. Create a clean and timeless backdrop, allowing other design elements to stand out. Casa Custom specializes in modern kitchen designs, offering customizable solutions tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Follow us and get more details.